Welcome to the magical world of science. Today we're gonna explore how forces can change the speed of things. We'll find out how things go faster or slower. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kyra. Let's start with a question. Imagine Mia has a new bike. How do you think she can make it go faster?
Maybe she can pedal harder.
Exactly. When Mia pedals harder, she pushes on the pedals, which makes the bike speed up. Now, what if she wants to slow down?
She could use the brakes, right?
That's right. Pulling on the brakes slows the bike down. So, when we talk about speeding up or slowing down, we're really talking about forces at work. Can you think of other things that can speed up or slow down?
Maybe a car? It can go faster when you press the gas pedal and slower when you brake.
Perfect example. Now let's think like scientists. If you were at a park and saw kids playing, what questions might you ask about how they move?
I might ask why some kids run faster than others or how they stop quickly.
Great questions. Asking questions is a big part of science. Now, let's try a fun activity. Imagine Sophia and Marcus have a ball. Marcus pushes it towards Sophia, and she blows on it to slow it down. How do you think they could make the ball go faster without touching it?
Maybe they could use a fan to blow it faster.
That's a clever idea. Using air to move things is a neat way to explore forces. Now, let's think about patterns. Sophia noticed a pattern in how the ball moves. What do you think she saw?
Maybe she saw that the ball moves faster when there's more air pushing it.
Exactly. Observing patterns helps us understand how things work. Now imagine you're at a bowling alley. How would you make a bowling ball go fast enough to knock over the pins?
I'd roll it really hard.
Yes, the harder you roll, the faster it goes. So what have we learned today about forces and speed?
Forces can make things go faster or slower, like pedaling the bike or using brakes. And we can ask questions and look for patterns to understand more.
That's a fantastic summary. Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.